It is important to design your presentation intelligently. Styling. Proper styles give you collective impact of content. Image, text, color. Also think of customer segmentation. People are unique. They process information differently. Some see text and while others see images. Consider this fact while making your presentation. Images. As per research, human brain can process images 60,000 times faster than text. If you don't believe, see this. Therefore, relevant images with relevant content creates the required impact in your presentation. More images does not mean more information. Usually, while to signify one's market capitalization, presenters would add up a collage of logos of the clients who they work with. This is chaotic and usually does not convey the message one would like to send across. Instead of confusing viewer, we can present this content in two different ways. We can summarize this content to make it more informative way, or we can build short story to engage the viewer. Text. Now, with the power of visual communication, we will see how to use text effectively while you present. More text does not mean more information. Font. Text and fonts, if used properly, serve as a catalyst to written communication. For example, the impact of the word strong, if it is written in a caps like this instead of this. Words. Example 1. Don't spread negative energy with negative words like failure or problems. It creates bad impact on viewer, and with this kind of poor presentation, you will lose your customer. Example 2. Win customer mind with positive words. Numbers. Percentages and proportions give better idea on relative scale over exact figures. Exact figures are great for accounting. Let's see a classic example. Instead of saying we can cater to 30 companies in the market, it's simpler to say we serve 2/3 of the market. Instead of saying we provide our services to 3 out of 4 companies, it's more effective to say we have a market capitalization of 75%. Numbers are hard to remember. Instead of showing exact numbers like 15,736, we can simply say more than 15,000, 15,000 plus. But don't use the 15,000 plus, 1200 plus, 200 plus many times on single screen. It will again confuse viewer. If they want to exact numbers, presenter can give details later by email. Abbreviation. Unconventional abbreviation may confuse viewer. Example, weather temperature forecast. Now we'll see colors. More colors do not mean more styling. Graphic guidelines help to keep look and feel consistent throughout the presentation and also creates a standard image of the organization. For example, 2 different people create their presentation and present it to one customer. In this case, presentation should not look like 2 different people have created those. Presentation should portray only one image of company. Don't spread negativity with colors. Flashy colors may grab attention, but use it carefully. Take graphic designer's assistance. Indexing. If presentation is too big, establish graphic references on index page and use those as a pointers in entire presentation. Now let's take you back to the start. We said that we will be covering image, text and color, and we have used specific colors for each point. Isn't this helpful? Remember, custom is not interested in presenter. Presentation should convey the same message each time. It should not depend on any particular presenter. If you are going to send the presentation by email, then the presenter's personal impact will be 0 or minimal. Product or service is going to solve customer's problem, not the presenter. So the job of presenter is to get out of the way of the customer and service. PPT should talk for self. Presenter, sales guy should only answer the additional questions or queries. Think of presentation as a good movie where you have the beginning for capturing the audience attention, the middle, engaging the audience, and the climax, final message delivered. Create content, suggest preferred images, take graphic assistance, review with communication team, and pen.